Not too many boats left to go in down here, sailboats anyway. Lots of power boats over on the other side that need to get ready, but not many left on this side. Boomerang's ready to go this morning. They're going to lift it onto the hoist and get it over to the well, and then I have to paint the spots where the pads are for the cradle. And also I've got a little bit of work to do on the bottom of the keel, and then it'll be ready to go in. Sometime next week we'll be putting the mast on, but for now we'll just get the boat in the water, get the engine started, get all the systems checked out, and then worry about the mast later. On the move. That's always a good sign when you first start up the engine. Let it run a little bit and work itself out. Heat it up a little bit. Back on board, May 14, 2026. The boat is in the water. No mast on yet, but the boat is in the water. The engine started up right away. No drips or leaks. She's floating fine, all tied up. ready to start the second phase of launch, that being putting the mast together and putting it back on board. Down here tonight, bringing some more things down to the boat to start getting it ready to head up north. Tomorrow the mast is out, so tomorrow I can start putting it together. And they're scheduled for Friday, so tomorrow's Thursday. It's scheduled to be put back on the boat on Friday morning. So then I'll have Friday afternoon and into sometime on Saturday to put everything back together again, including putting the sails on. So busy couple of days ahead here. Unfortunately, it is god-awful cold. It's the 20th of May. Frost warnings again tonight. Temperature on my Jeep on the way down here said it was 49 degrees. It's got to be colder now. I've been down here about an hour. So again, frost warnings for tonight. Someday it'll warm up, but not right now and not in the forecast. Some of the highs for over Memorial Day weekend are in the low 60s. Those are the highs. So it's been a very cold, very windy, and oftentimes wet spring. So I don't know if that bodes well or not for the summer, but here we go. Boat is almost ready to head north. Looking forward to it. The mast is out and it's ready to be put together tomorrow. Well, the mast is put together. Not a whole lot of problems. It was a bit of a tangled mess when I first got it started, but once I got all the lines in the right spot, it went ahead without really any issues. A couple of things to take care of yet, but that can be done in the morning before they do the lift to put it back on the boat. But otherwise, everything is ready to go. Mast day today. Getting ready to put the mast on. The crane is ready. They're getting the mast ready to be hooked up over here and hoisted, and then I'll roll it over here and we'll set it in. I gotta move the dinghy forward a little bit first, but it's set to go. We are getting closer. Mast locks are in. Just need to tighten them up, but I got more work to do up on deck first. And the wires look good. I'll have to hook those up later on. Got to get the mast in place first. Securing the deck plate. what's going on. Busy place down here, isn't it? My favorite part of the spring, rerunning all the lines.
I was gonna say, I don't remember. Some of them can cause more of those